Hello everyone, how is everything going on? Today I am going to talk about one of my ongoing project, and that is on programming language. And the main theme of my project is to bring the programming language to everyone's hands so that they can develop any kind of software or mobile application, and that will be useful. And to do that, you will need to learn so many languages that is available on the internet, but it's gonna be painful, right? But let me tell you something, there is another way. You don't need to learn any kind of language. All you need to do is learn flowchart programming. Isn't that like funny? I know it's funny to you, but let me tell you something. Before I reveal my secret of this project, I'll share an example. Like if you complete your CSE course in 4 years, and after that you heard that a new language came, and that is XYZ, and you need to learn that language, otherwise you won't get a good job. To get a good job, you definitely need to learn that language. But let me tell you something, using my software you don't need to learn other languages, or even the language that came that just came recently. So how is that gonna be possible? Let me tell you, it is possible, and I will show you the demo version of my software. And let me just show you. So here I have the software which I'm just coding, and let me log into my account. So here I have the demo version of my software. If I press this tool button, all the elements come up, and here I have a pre-animated version. Like if I drag this start button, that it will initialize the C program, and I declare two variables, that is X and Y, and you can see that here it's already declared. And here I put the scan, and then I am getting a for loop, and then I'll just check the stock that like I declared XY. So if I press this stock button, bar will come up. Here I'll be able to see that I declared two variables, and after that you will be able to drag those elements to develop your logic and make it strong. And then after you do this stuff, let me show you. We need to wait for a while because it's an animated version of my software. As you can see that as we are dropping the elements from the bar, the logic is developing right here. As I'm typing hello world, and here we have printf hello world, that is the code of C, and I have put it a logical operator, and here we have Python. If I click Python, we get a Python code. Did you notice that it's so cool that we had a C programming code developing, but when I just pressed the Python button, it just converted into Python code. If you don't believe me, I can show you. If you press compile button, it will just give you a folder, and on that folder you will have a file that is called python.py. If you edit that, you'll be able to see the code which I just developed. Here I have the code, and if you run the program right here, as you can see the program is running. If you input about like 5, then it will print 5. If you press 10, we need to run the program once again. If we input 10, then it will print hello world for 10 times. And at the same way, we got a C code, and on that code, if we just run the program, if I input about like 3, then it will print hello world for 3 times. Isn't that cool? You developed a universal language, and you got the output of other languages. It's so cool. I'm telling you, if we can develop this language, it's a simple language that we're giving this instruction. we're giving the instruction. Let me just describe it for a while. Like we have a universal language, and with that we are teaching the software how to program in Python, how to program in C++, how to program in C shell. And then after teaching the software, we can tell him that, hey software, take a integer, then scan it, then take it, then do a for loop, and then start printing it. Like that is way, like the software will know how to program in Python, how to program in all the other languages, and you're just giving him the instructions step by step, and it's doing its job. So I guess it's gonna be so cool, and I'm gonna be done very soon. But before that, let me tell you something. I also have some weakness, and for that I need some help from other people. If you have a bit of knowledge in Flash programming, then just please contact me. I will appreciate to work with you. And dude, let me tell you, we can just change the world of programming, and it's gonna be so cool. So please everyone, pray for me so that I can make this software and give it to everyone. Thank you.